Today, under the microscope, we'll take a closer look at aphids inhabiting poppy plants and their dense, teeming colonies full of life. Aphids are among the most widespread agricultural pests. Despite their tiny size, they can completely dominate herb and field crops. They are highly sensitive to changes in ambient temperature, which means that even a slight increase above the norm noticeably speeds up their metabolism and reproduction rate. Their remarkable biological success is primarily due to their ability to reproduce asexually. Females can rapidly expand colonies without the need for males. On poppies, we most often encounter two species of these insects. The first is the light green potato aphid, known scientifically as Macrosiphum euphorbiae, which usually forms rather scattered groups. However, what we see most often, and what was captured in the footage, is the true villain of the poppy, the black bean aphid, Aphis fabae. This particular species is a small insect with a matte black back, reaching about 1 to 2 millimeters in length. If we look very closely at the younger individuals, we can spot a distinguishing feature: characteristic transverse bands of a white, waxy coating on their bodies. These aphids love to form extremely dense, compact colonies, most often occupying the underside of poppy leaves, where they feed by sucking out the plant's vital sap. In poppy plantations, they usually appear when the plant begins to form its first flower buds, with peak population levels typically occurring in the first half of July. I hope this gave you a slightly better look at these inconspicuous inhabitants of poppy fields. If you'd like to see more footage of aphids, feel free to check out my video about aphids on apple trees as well. And see you under the microscope.